Bionic eyes, also known as retinal implants or artificial vision devices, are cutting-edge technologies designed to restore vision to individuals who have lost their sight due to conditions such as retinitis pigmentosa or age-related macular degeneration, AMD. While they are often referred to as bionic, they are not yet as advanced as the fictional portrayals of bionic eyes seen in movies or TV shows. Here's how they generally work. Implantation. A bionic eye system typically involves a surgical procedure to implant a small electronic device into the eye. This device is often placed on or near the retina, the light-sensitive tissue at the back of the eye. Camera and processor. The device includes a tiny camera mounted on glasses worn by the user. The camera captures visual information from the environment and sends it wirelessly to a small processing unit. Stimulation of retina. The processing unit converts the visual information into electrical signals that are transmitted wirelessly to an array of electrodes implanted in or near the retina. These electrodes stimulate the remaining retinal cells, bypassing damaged or non-functioning cells. Perception of light and shapes. The electrical stimulation of the retina can create visual perceptions of light and shapes. While the resolution and quality of vision provided by current bionic eye technologies are limited compared to natural vision, they can still enable users to detect light, distinguish between objects, and navigate their surroundings to some extent. Several companies and research institutions around the world are actively working on improving bionic eye technologies, with the goal of enhancing visual acuity, expanding the range of detectable colors, and improving the overall user experience. While bionic eyes represent an exciting frontier in vision restoration, they are still undergoing development and refinement, and their availability may be limited to certain clinical trials or specific medical centers. Optogenetics is a cutting-edge technique used in neuroscience and biomedical research to control and manipulate the activity of specific cells in living tissue, including neurons in the brain. It involves the use of light-sensitive proteins called opsins, which are genetically encoded into target cells. These opsins enable researchers to precisely control the activity of the cells using pulses of light. Restoring sight is possible now with optogenetics. People suffering from macular degeneration and other diseases that impair sight can soon benefit from gene therapy. The global key manufacturers of bionic eye include Bionic Vision Australia, The Bionic Eye, Pixium Vision, iBionics, Second Sight Medical Products, Neostrata Company, Abiomed, and Berlin Heart.